In this video, I'd like to show you how you can attract customers to your business using a blog. So if you have a local service, let's say you're a pest control business or you're a dentist, for example, whatever it is, then creating a blog could be one of the best investments you can make. It's like building an asset for your business that will continue to give you a return, continue to deliver customers for many years to come. So you won't be a slave to paying for advertising, and it delivers extremely targeted prospects. So you're not just advertising wildly, like you're on a billboard, for example. You'll be reaching people who specifically need what your business sells now. So let me give you an example. When I moved back to Jamaica, I wanted to set up a tour company. So I wanted to take visitors around the island and show them places that the big tour companies didn't go to. So I created this blog, Things to Do in Jamaica, because I figured that if you were looking up that info, then that meant you were either planning a trip or you were already here and you probably needed transportation to some of these places. So I started creating blog posts on the different places you could go to and basically the things you can do in Jamaica. Now, fast forward 10 years and I no longer have a tour business. There were some challenges in that business that I didn't want to deal with. But the point is, to this day, that blog still gets around 1,000 visitors per day. So just imagine if I still had a tour business. This blog is delivering 1,000 and sometimes up to 4,000 people every single day. And I don't have to pay for advertising. This is just a base of potential customers that keep coming in. So the idea is you want to get in front of people who need your services now, people who have a particular problem that your business can solve. And a lot of the time when people have a particular problem, the first place they go to look for a solution is Google. So our goal is to have a blog post that shows up on Google whenever your target market is searching for either your services or they're searching for a solution that you offer. So that leads to the question, well, how do you know what people or what your target market is currently searching for on Google? Well, let me show you an easy way to find out. So in the past, we had to brainstorm and come up with ideas on our own, which really isn't difficult to do. But why not use the tools that we currently have? So here I am on ChatGPT and I'll just type in search terms that someone looking for a pest control business, for example, would type in. And here we have some ideas. So you can scroll through these and see what's relevant to your business. But the next thing we want to confirm is that there's a good amount of people searching for this. We don't want to create a blog post that only 5 people are looking up per month. So copy the ones that are relevant to your business. Then go to Google's Keyword Planner, which is in the Google Ads dashboard. Click Discover New Keywords, and you can paste up to 10 keywords in here. Choose your language and your country, then click on Get Results. And now you can see the average monthly searches. So what I like to do is arrange these in order of highest to lowest by clicking here. Now, some of these might look small, but you have to remember that a lot of these are similar. So let's say I wanted to focus on termites for this blog post. Then I would click on Filter up here, Keyword, then enter termite. And now you see all these small tens add up to a couple hundred. So it's worth going after. I could potentially get one blog post to show up for all of these search terms. Now let me show you one more thing. Once you've settled on a topic for your blog post, you're probably wondering, well, what am I going to write in this blog post? Well, here's an easy way to get ideas for what to actually put in the blog post. Just head over to this website, questionsdb.io. Enter your keyword. And what this site does is it pulls questions that people have asked from all over the web. And you obviously don't need to answer all of them, but go through the list, see what your market is asking and answer some relevant ones. For example, can I do termite treatment myself? Yeah, you can. With whatever, vinegar and bleach, I don't know. But it won't be as effective as getting a professional to do it. Another one is preventative termite treatment necessary. How long does it take to stop seeing termites after treatment? Just go through the list, pick out some relevant questions and answer them. This is how you create a comprehensive blog post that will become an asset for your business and bring customers in for free for many years to come. So I hope this video helps you out, and just so you know, creating a blog is a part of a bundled service that I'm currently offering. That's all about helping businesses to establish a strong online presence and attract customers online without having to pay for advertising. So if you're interested in having me take care of all of this for you, then somewhere below this video, there should be a link you can click on that will take you to the page that will give you all of those details. All right. So I'd like to thank you for spending this time with me and going through this video, and I'm wishing you all the best.